Do you have a broken relationship in your life? Maybe your relationship with your family, your friends, or your partner isn't where you want it to be. This can be tough, but I really look to the timeless wisdom of the Buddha when it comes to relationships because I found that it's really helped me and the people around me. Hey guys, and welcome back. I'm Sophia Wise, your philosophy lover who's just trying to spread some knowledge and wisdom to help you become a better you. And in this video, I'll be taking you through 6 powerful principles that can heal, nurture, and revitalize any relationship in your life. Let's get into them. According to the Buddha, treating your companions with mental kindness is the key to cultivating lasting love and harmony. This means that the kind thoughts you have towards others will eventually shape your actions and words, making them more kind too. So when you practice mental kindness towards your loved ones, you're not just spreading love and positivity when they're around, but also when they're not with you. It's like planting a seed of kindness that will grow and flourish over time. So whenever you're alone, think of things that you love about the people in your life. You can even write them down in a journal. The Buddha's second principle for fixing a broken relationship is all about using the power of words to create a warm and fuzzy feeling in the hearts of our loved ones. This is the time to unleash your inner poet and shower your companions with kind, gentle, and uplifting words that will make their day. Because let's face it, who doesn't love hearing nice things about themselves? Whether it's a compliment, an expression of gratitude, or just a simple I love you, using verbal kindness is a surefire way to create a deeper connection with the people in your life. So go ahead, speak from the heart, and spread some positivity. Because the second principle is all about treating your companions with love and kindness, not just through your actions, but also through your words. Buddha knew that one way to show kindness and compassion is through physical actions. And I'm not talking about buying fancy gifts or splurging on expensive dates. No. It's the little things that count. By doing simple acts of kindness, we can make our loved ones feel valued and appreciated. Maybe it's helping out with household chores, supporting their career aspirations, or even just giving them a hug when they need it. In a romantic relationship, sharing responsibilities can also be a way to show your love and support. Whatever it is, when we show physical kindness, it creates a mutual bond and strengthens our relationships. What does being virtuous mean? Well, in Buddhism, normally people practice 5 precepts. These include abstaining from killing, stealing, sexual misconduct, lying, and taking intoxicating drinks and drugs. When you become more moral or virtuous, it creates trust in people. And you know what they say, trust is the foundation of any good relationship. By being virtuous, you create a sense of trust and loyalty with those around you. You're a good person with a strong character, and the people around you know that, which strengthens your relationships. Sharing without reservation and just being open is a game changer. Imagine you've had the most amazing meal or experience, and instead of keeping it all to yourself, you share it with your loved ones. It could be as simple as sharing a funny meme, a delicious meal, or a heartwarming story. When you share with others, you create a bond and a sense of togetherness that is hard to beat. So go ahead, share your joys and your successes with your companions and watch your relationships grow stronger and more meaningful. Remember, sharing is caring. Here is one of the most interesting principles, in my opinion. Buddha taught us the importance of having a common goal in any relationship. Whether it's a romantic relationship, a friendship, or a work partnership, having a shared dream or vision can work wonders for the bond you share with others. Think about it. When you and your partner, friend, or colleague are working towards the same goal, it creates an electric energy that can light up any room. You become a powerhouse duo, a dynamic duo, or a triple threat. And when everyone is on the same page, it brings peace and harmony to the relationship. Buddha taught monks to have one common goal, to end the sufferings of the cycle of rebirth and attain enlightenment. When all the monks work towards the same dream, it makes living together so much easier and more fulfilling. It's like a beautiful symphony where everyone plays their part and contributes to the greater good. So, whether you're a monk or not, having a common dream or goal can bring immense joy and fulfillment to your relationships. It's like having a secret sauce that makes everything taste better. So go ahead, find your common goal and watch your relationships soar to new heights. Remember, relationships are not just about finding someone to share your life with. It's about creating meaningful connections with the people around you. So go ahead and put these principles into practice in your own life, whether you're in a romantic relationship, friendship, or just a casual acquaintance. And always remember to be kind, be compassionate, be virtuous, and work towards the common goal with the people you care about. What do you think is the best way to fix a broken relationship? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.